Once Mahatma Gandhi ji gave us a talisman, a guiding principle for decision making. He urged us to consider the interest of the most marginalized person before making any decision. In a similar spirit, I want to offer you a talisman of my own. Whenever you have doubts about India's future or India's potential, just do one thing: come to Bangalore. Visit this city and witness its thriving IT industry, its dynamic startup ecosystem, and its young, innovative entrepreneurs and technologists. When you see firsthand the energy, ambition, and the groundbreaking work happening here, all your doubts about India's future will fade away. Your uncertainties will disappear, and your confidence in India's limitless potential will grow stronger than ever. Friends, beyond all these factors, there is an even bigger advantage. When you invest in Karnataka, you are not just gaining access to Karnataka's resources, you have the strength of the entire nation standing with Karnataka. India's economic ecosystem is deeply integrated, which means investing here gives you access to the country's vast and diverse resources. If your business requires minerals, you can source them from Chhattisgarh and Odisha. If you need skilled manpower, the hard-working professionals from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar will be ready to contribute. If your supply chain depends on MSME's output, you will find robust support from Noida and Coimbator's MSME entities. When you invest in Karnataka, you are not just investing in one state, you are tapping into the collective strength of India's vast resources and a colossal talent pool. Today, India is in the era of the cooperative federalism, where we work with the true spirit of Team India. A remarkable example of this is the GST framework, in which representatives from both the central and state governments come together to collectively decide tax rates through consensus. This is the testament to how the central and state governments are collaborating to save the country's economy. Friends, I believe that one of the biggest reasons behind the growing culture of cooperative federalism in India today is the leadership experience of our Honorable Prime Minister, who himself served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for many years. I too have had the honor of serving as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. This first-hand experience of governance at the state level has given us a deep understanding of the importance of cooperation between the center and states. And today, India's cooperative federalism is stronger than ever before. Friends, I firmly believe that for all of you, this is the moment and the perfect time to invest.
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.